Hi, all of you. Welcome to Quant Masters. I'm Himanshu Sharma, and with us we have our student Pratik, who is from Mysore, Karnataka, who recently got selected in TCS Digital. Hi, Pratik.
Yes, sir.
How are you?
I'm fine, sir. How are you?
I'm good, Pratik. I'm good. Pratik, it's a matter of pride for us that you are the only one from the entire college of yours. I would say right now from the entire district of yours to get selected in TCS Digital.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, and it's we are very happy and proud that our student has got the digital profile. So it's a matter of pride. So heartily congratulations to you.
Thank you, sir.
So how did you feel when you got to know that you're the only one who got selected?
I was very thrilled, sir, because I was really waiting for the results.
Mm-hmm.
And when I checked the results, I was just checking the profiles, and I just saw one digital student like profile who got
Okay.
selected. Then I
Okay.
just scrolled to the right, and it was my name. So it was a really great moment for me.
Okay, so that was like a very big surprise, pleasant
Yes, sir.
surprise for you. Okay, fine.
Indeed.
So, Pratik, the main idea of making this video is to let the audience know, give them an idea about when interviews happen and when can be the approximate date of joining or date of getting the offer letter or date of getting the result.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we would like to know when from the date you wrote the TCS NQT till the
Yes,
date
sir.
you got to know you're selected for the digital profile.
Yes, sir. Sir, I haven't received any a particular mail from TCS saying that I've got selected. I got only information from the TPO that a certain number of students have been selected from a college.
Okay.
So I the NQT test I wrote on 26th of October, sir,
Okay.
and results were announced on 10th. So on the in the same mail they had mentioned that students who are marked as eligible for digital will be having a coding round on 12th.
Hmm.
So I was also one of the students who was eligible for the digital test.
Okay.
So our coding test was on 12th of November, and after that on 25th we got a mail from TCS saying that you've been through the coding round for the interview round,
Okay.
and on 27th I had the interview,
Okay. 27th
and
of November.
yes, 27th of November. So
Okay.
on 25th of November I got the mail saying that you were eligible for the interview,
Hmm.
and on 27th of November I had the interview, and around 8 days later, that is on 5th November, I mean 5th December, I got the
Result.
result. Yes, sir,
Okay.
from the TPO, sir.
Okay. Superb. Superb. Very nice. So after 5th December, you still haven't got a confirmation
Uh,
from TCS
no,
people.
sir, no mails from TCS yet.
Okay.
That
Okay. No
mail
problem.
from the TPO was the last mail regarding the TCS selection process.
But if you have received the mail from the TPO, it means that you are
Yes, sir.
selected. It is confirmed for sure because they would
Yes,
have
sir.
a word with the TCS people. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so 5th of December, that is quite early because Pratik, many states, many districts,
Yes, sir.
digital interviews are still going on.
Yes, sir. I was also checking regularly after the results got announced, and
Mhm.
I came to know that it's still going on, and some still haven't received the results yet.
Not some,
So,
90 to 95% people have not received.
oh, I didn't know
Yeah,
that, sir.
very less people have received it.
Okay.
Yeah, and the
So,
selection is also very less, very less.
yes,
Whoever
sir. So,
for one more district, I don't know which district is that. One more student texted saying that I got selected in digital profile.
okay.
I think in
So,
Karnataka, only Mysore district in one college, I think the results were announced for
oh,
digital.
okay. Then we are lucky in that sense.
Yeah, because last week it was announced in Bangalore. It was announced in almost many areas of India, but
Okay.
digital still not announced. So
Okay.
I was shocked. Like so soon, you people got it.
I didn't know. I thought it would go all together at once. I mean, they would announce the result all together, but
Okay.
they're doing it maybe in region wise, zone wise,
Correct,
probably.
correct. And also yours is a premium college, so might be
Yes,
because
sir.
of that you got it quite early.
Maybe.
Yeah.
Maybe.
So one thing to be noted here, people, though he got to know that he's selected in for a digital profile on 5th of December, still he hasn't received the mail from TCS, official mail from TCS. So it might take, like yesterday we told you that it might take a week, but here it has taken 20 days and still he hasn't got a mail from TCS people. So you don't have to worry. Many parts of India, digital results are not out. Okay, so please don't think you're rejected, or don't keep mailing the HRs. Do not do that. Please wait patiently. Okay, digital results will be out shortly. 90% of the people, it is not out. Okay, NQT results are out. Digital results are still not out for many people. Okay, so what next, Pratik? Now that you got into digital profile, what next?
I'm actually waiting for the confirmation from the TCS themselves.
Okay,
Earlier, I got placed in Accenture, so
okay.
I'm waiting for that too. So I need to decide between these two.
Oh, you are deciding that you
No,
want
a
Accenture.
little biased towards TCS. So, but
Okay,
I'm still waiting for the offer letter from TCS. So
okay,
yes.
okay. Superb, superb. So, Pratik, when did you join our academy? When did you join Quant Masters? Were you of batch 8, 7?
No, so I actually joined batch three
Okay.
in the middle. So, but because I couldn't
Huh.
catch up in batch three, so I joined batch four after
Okay.
that. I attended a few classes in batch three, but I couldn't catch up the progress.
Huh.
So I joined batch four. So,
Acha, that was quite a memorable batch. Batch 4
yes,
was also quite memorable. So
yes, sir.
how did you find the training which was provided? Did it help you in Accenture as well as in digital? If yes, how did it help you and how was it different?
Of course, it really helped me to get through all these uh, tests and interviews too.
Mhm.
And yeah, I came to know about Quant Masters from through a friend.
Mhm.
Initially, our college were not providing this training, placement training, because of this pandemic
COVID.
situation.
Yeah.
So our seniors had got the training because it was offline and they could get it. But once this pandemic hit, we were in a situation that we couldn't get the training from college. So I
Okay.
was just looking for the placement training centers. Like then my friend introduced me to Quant Masters,
Okay.
and a few of us joined together, and it was really a memorable experience.
Okay.
Classes were really fun,
Mhm.
and classes were very regular, and it was the techniques which you taught were really superb, and it really helps.
Mhm.
It really helps to save time while solving problems during the tests.
Okay.
And also big thanks to Ritu ma'am and Shashank sir for the verbal and technical training.
Okay.
Both were really good, and also the interview training. I forgot the name of this sir, but he
Dinesh
was
sir.
really good.
Dinesh sir.
Yeah, Dinesh. Yeah, he was very good, and we learned a lot about how to attend for interview, what to say and what not to say,
Mhm.
and it was quite a good experience with Quant Masters.
Okay, okay, superb. So, thank you very much, Pratik, for that. So, we are very happy once again that our students are not only getting into one or two companies, are getting into many companies. Okay,
Yes, sir.
more than 15 to 20 of our students have got into more than two companies, and there are around
Wow.
7 to 8 students have got into all the three companies, that is TCS, Infosys, and Cognizant.
Wow, that's great.
Yeah,
Our college has restriction that we can get offer up to two companies only. So
correct. Yeah,
we are
many
seeing
colleges
to that.
it is the same. Many college.
Yes, sir.
So even our students have got into three. Even they have to come down to two itself.
Oh,
Yeah,
that's
yeah.
quite good, sir.
And now also we have started with Wipro NLTH training, and
Yes, sir.
we are roasting them for 5 to 6 hours every day.
But it's really helpful, sir. That roasting is
Uh,
that gives you a little more confidence about to attend the test.
Correct. And now we have kept competitions also every Sunday. Like
Oh,
it's so that we can make it more competitive environment. We are
yes,
giving
sir.
gift hampers, certificates, and all. So students have created WhatsApp groups. They are sending doubts over there, discussing doubts.
That's
Yeah,
that's nice. And
yeah.
also your training on the information you give on the YouTube channel about the
Huh.
experience of the previous interview candidates
Mhm.
really helped me to get through both Accenture and TCS interviews. So
Huh.
big thank you for that.
Arey, no, bro. It is our job. In fact, many people have been selected. We are very happy that at least it is helping someone.
Yes,
So
sir.
it is our job to do that. Anyways, thanks a lot, Pratik, for your time, for your initiative that you took up, and you were ready to share your experience with us. I'm sure this information will help a lot of
Yes, sir.
students.
It was a pleasure, sir. Thank you for having me.
Thank you. So people, this was our student Pratik from Quant Masters who got into TCS Digital. He's from MCA department, and he also has been selected in more than one company. And we have a lot of students who are selected in more than one, two. Many people have been selected in three companies. Okay, now yesterday's doubts which you had posted in the comment box, I will address them tomorrow. Okay, because of shortage of time, I couldn't look, but we will address it tomorrow. All the ones who are waiting for digital results, please do wait. Results are still not out. 90 to 95% people are yet to receive it. Okay, so with this, I wish you a very great day. Keep smiling. Take care, people. Bye bye.